Alright guys, remember that Madam Peku Africa always come with good news for you. I want where you follow me, they shout, woo! You dey see what they see, so maybe you know they see and where. I did the new Banana Island off Odili Road. You don't understand. And you need to come collect your plot sharply with just 6 million naira. You don't hear say for even Port Harcourt City you dey buy one plot of land 6 million where everything they cost like this. Maybe you don't understand what they talk. Off Odili Road, new Banana Island with 6 million naira only. See, you get your one plot. Are you seeing it? They are walking the road as I'm talking to you. Look at it. You can see vehicles passing. People are already living here. Can you see? Can you see? We just drive into the place now. New Banana Island off Odili Road. Not be only Lagos now, Banana Island. It's there Port Harcourt now. And now Mercy Homes and Property, that they bring this one for you. If you leave this thing before quarter of next year, you go past 10 million. Make you not say Madam Peck will not tell you. I don't tell you now. Follow me, make I show you how the land they very okay. You dey hear me, sir? This plot you must get am. If you dey abroad or US, Canada, UK, anywhere where you dey, you need to just sharply call us. Take your plot, your papers, everything will be ready for you. And I know they charge you for any papers. With 6 million, both your paper, everything, your document, they okay. You go get your plot. See them now. They are tying the road. Yes, they are tying the road. As you can see, buildings, everything, they here. Follow me, make I show you. They did they sweet me because this land too cheap. It's too cheap. You won't see land for Port Harcourt. 6 million for Port Harcourt town like this. 6 million naira for one plot. Follow me. Make we dey waka ma show you. 6 million naira for one plot. Inside Port Harcourt town, no be bush oh. Hey, Chineke me. See, you need follow me. They shall even myself. They see myself. They wonder me. Mercy Homes don't do this one. Oh, now don't do this one. Follow me. Make I show you. Hey. Chineke me, make we run. Make we dey run. Hey, this one too cheap, oh, it's too cheap. You dey see am so? You dey see am? Hey, in the next 1 year, you know how this place go dey. By the time they finish this road, you know how here go dey so? Hey, this one now the egu. Alright, let's be going. So I go show you enough land there for you. Just call me. You know my number now. 09034296519. As you see this video, just send message. Chapali. The number again now 09034296519. Come collect your property. Now your own. Now you get and collect 6 million only.